Okay, so very good evening, student. Today we are going to discuss the paper that we had on Sunday. It's on 12th of September 2021. Okay, so the first question we are going to discuss. What is the first question?
Good evening, sir.
Very good evening, Vita. Good evening. Okay, so the question says, astigmatic eye has problem in viewing image uniformly on the lines. I think that point wasn't on our chapter, is it? But we'll go through that also. Okay, left or right, no, front or back, no, up and down, probably up and down and
I
horizontal.
think it's horizontal and
Yes,
vertical.
horizontal and vertical. Yes, option D is correct. Yes. Now question number 2 says, what is the reason behind advanced and delayed sunrise and sunset? So it is refraction of light, atmospheric refraction of light.
Yes, reflection.
Yes.
But sir, there was no option to answer.
Okay. So question number 2. Wait a second. So everyone left that, no?
Yeah, we could do nothing.
Okay.
Sir.
Sir, sorry for that. I didn't write the exam, sir.
Why, beta?
Sir, I was went to the badminton tournament.
Okay. Okay. Next, third question. We completed first question, second. Now we are going to discuss the third question. When light rays enters the eye, most of the refraction occurs at the cornea only.
Yes, sir, the surface of the cornea.
Yes, outer surface of the cornea. Yes, so option B is correct. Okay. Now question number fourth. Concave lens is diverging lens. B option,
So this
diverging
question
lens.
was from the first chapter, light, right? It was not.
Yes. But we have used the converging and diverging lens, means concave and convex lens, for the correcting eye
Yeah,
defect.
the use is given in this chapter, but
Yes.
the functions were given in the first chapter.
Yes. But we already gone through that it is the converging or diverging lens. So concave is diverging and convex is converging. We already gone through during the study of that eye defect. Okay. Yeah. Question number 5 says a person cannot see distinctly object kept beyond 2 meter. This defect can be corrected by 2 meter. Means it is the nearby object. So
1
it
by
is
2 meters. So it would get 0.5 meters.
Oh, we had to like yes, 0.5 diopter. D is the diopter. It is the power of the lens, unit for the power of the lens. Yes. So it is minus.
Sir, did you complete the whole chapter?
Yes. We had to discuss few questions are there that we had to go through that. Okay. Focal length of relaxed eye is, that part is not completed there. It is about
It's
25.
25
Yes,
centimeters.
25 centimeter.
It's common, right? It was given in the first chapter also.
25 or 22.5. It is given 2.5 here, but it is 25 centimeter.
The answer is 25 centimeters.
Yeah, so this question has to be corrected. So I'm just going to edit the question. 25 is right.
Yes, sir.
So 2 questions are wrong. Okay.
Therefore, 2.5 centimeter, you can't even determine the shape of the object. It becomes so blurred.
So option D is correct. Update. Okay. So now we are going to discuss the question number 6. No, 7. The energy whose presence makes the colorful world possible. The light energy or radiant energy.
Light.
Electrical, sound, heat, light. So light energy is the answer. Option D is correct. Okay. Is it or not? Light
Yes,
energy
sir.
is there.
This
Yes.
question is correct.
Question number 8. Total internal reflection. Okay. As the phenomenon is useful in various optical instruments as.
Yes, sir. I have doubt.
Okay, let me check. Is required only for the pair of medium. It is simple reflection. It is based on the refraction and it does not lead to lost energy. So, wait a second. Teja is in
Sir,
waiting.
is A the correct answer?
Wait a second. Total internal chanchal just came. Okay. So total internal reflection as the phenomena is useful in various optical instruments as it requires only a pair of media. No. It is simple reflection. No. It is based on refraction. It does not lead to lose energy. Probably A or D will be the answer. Yes, D is the answer. It does not lose any energy. Okay. Because
Sir,
in
how is
order in order to form the clear image, if light enters inside the instrument, light have to be like reflect completely. So for that total internal reflection must be there. If some of the light will get absorbed by the instrument, then we will get the blur image. Okay.
But
That's
what I
why.
was thinking.
Yes.
Some light is absorbed in any form.
Yes. Yeah.
The
Most of the light,
mirrors also
most of
absorb
the
some of it.
See, most of the light will get absorbed it when it enters inside the instrument. Okay.
Yeah, so how is it correct that it doesn't lead to the loss of energy?
See, loss of energy is nothing but the intensity of the light.
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. If the intensity of light is higher, then image will form clear. So option D is correct. Now, question number 9. Night blindness is caused by the deficiency of
Vitamin A.
vitamin A. Yes. Question number 10. Why the bending of light through the glass prism is not similar to the bending that occurs in a glass slab? Okay. So glass slab like gives white light after when refracting light coming out from the glass slab. But when light emerging out from the prism, it get dispersed. Okay. So due to the dispersion of light takes place through the glass prism. Option A, because the particular shape of the
It says that option is wrong.
It's wrong, right? C is the correct answer.
because the dispersion of light. Yes. And dispersion of light takes place due to the shape of the prism. Okay.
So which
It
one is
can
correct?
take place in
So
another
B and C,
type
B
of
and C
prism.
both are right.
So sir, we should get marks if we chose C.
Yes.
Sir, I think you should add 1 mark for me.
Because through glass slab dispersion does not take place because its shape is rectangular. But through prism, the dispersion takes place due to its particular shape. So the particular shape of the prism is the only correct answer for this. So option B is correct. Due to particular triangular shape of the prism, dispersion takes place. Okay. So only B is the correct. B is there, that's why C takes place. C occurs. Okay. Everyone. So B is the only answer, not C. Okay. Accommodation of normal eye is formed. Accommodation of normal eye is formed through the ciliary muscles. Oh, it is the distance. So it is 20 centimeter to infinity. Okay. Option D is correct for that. The curvature of the eye lens is modified by using the lenses, or yes, using the lens. Oh yes, it is the lens. What is the question? The curvature of the eye lens is modified by a ciliary muscles, because ciliary muscles are responsible for the adjusting focal length of the,
Yes, sir.
yes. So ciliary muscles is the answer, not iris and cornea. So ciliary
Yeah,
muscles is the
iris
answer.
is a small muscle which gives the color of the eye, and the cornea is a
Yes.
single
Yes.
layer.
Yes. The color of the sky is blue because fine particles they scattered blue color of light. So dispersion of light takes place through water droplet. No, the air scatter the blue color of light more strongly than red. So B will be maybe the answer. Let's see. Next option, light get refracted by the atmosphere. No, none of the above. So option B is correct. Option B is correct because fine particles they scattered blue color of light. That's why the sky appears blue.
So dispersion of light also takes, no, doesn't take.
No. See,
Yeah,
dispersion,
but
yeah, scattering of light.
yeah,
Fine
scattering
particle.
of light takes place, not the dispersion.
Yes. Due to the dispersion takes place with the help of water droplet and rainbow is formed. Okay. In glass prism, the angle of deviation is the angle made between incident ray and refracted ray. Yeah, emerging ray. Incident ray and refracted ray, incident ray and normal, no. Incident ray and extended forward, and emerging ray extended backward, yes. Option C is correct. And incident ray and refractive ray. So this is C. The incident ray when extended forward and emergent ray when extended backward. So option C is correct. Okay. Option C is the correct. Is it or not? We have already gone through the diagram also for that. Is it?
Yes.
Everyone? Yes. The power of accommodation of the normal eye is 20 centimeter to the infinite. Oh.
4 diopters, sir.
Yeah, I thought it is given in with respect to distance, but it is the power of, on the basis of power of the.
Yeah.
So it is 4 diopter.
Sir, 40 diopters and 44 diopters are not possible that much, right?
Yes. Next, twinkling of star is due to refraction of light and changing the refractive index of the atmosphere. Atmospheric refraction, yes. Option C is correct. Not reflection, dispersion, and none of the above. So option C is correct. Refractive index of the atmosphere or the atmospheric refraction. Next, the color of an opaque object is due to the color it. The color of
Reflects, sir. It reflects the color of an opaque object comes from the color it reflects.
the color of an opaque object is due to the color it. I'm not getting the question. The color of an opaque object is due
Sir,
to.
you can see it by the options. You will get clear about it if you take my time.
No, if it will absorb, so it will appear black. If reflect, then color will form. It refract, then light will not reaches to us. Scattering, it may be red or blue. So yes, it reflects. Whatever the object we can see, it is due to the reflection of light. Question number 18. What would have been the color of the sky if there had no atmosphere around the earth? So black.
Yes, sir,
Black.
we are unable to answer it. Actually, there were no options.
Okay. So again, three questions. Okay. So,
So
okay.
the answer should be black, right?
Black, yes. Because the sky appears blue due to the scattering of fine particles. Means atmosphere is present there. If atmosphere will not present there, then no particle will present. So the sky will appear black. Okay. Question number 19. What is the least distance of distinct vision of the normal human eye? 25 centimeter. 25 centimeter. Okay. We already corrected one question for the same thing. Okay. Multiple choice question. Okay, wait a second. Match the pair. Okay. So myopia. Column 2. Reduce focal length, imbalance the cell. See, option D, color blindness is there. And it is due to,
Vitamin.
Imbalance in cells, right?
yes, due to the weakening of the cells. So DR and use of bifocal lens, no use of convex lens, no use of vitamin A, yes. DR2. Okay, DR2 first. D is done, then R is done, and 2 is out.
Sir, we can get the answer from one end. Right? If we get B or 2, then we can match the option that is there.
Yes. So myopia, imbalance in focal, reduce the focal length. Yes. In myopia, it is also called as nearsightedness. So we can see the nearby object clearly, but not the further object. If further object is there, so image will form in front of the retina. So focal length will reduce. So AQ, and it can be corrected by using concave lens. So AQ3. So we can check AQ3 and DR2. Okay. AQ3, DR2. See, option A is the first. We have matched two pair. AQ3 and DR2. Is it? Option A is correct. Yes. Is it, everyone? By matching the only two, we have got the answer. AQ3 and DR2. Okay. Quite easy. Everyone, you got the answer now? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So any question from all the 20 questions that we have discussed? So probably like you are having 3 questions.
Incorrect.
Like, yes, 2 questions were having no option and 1 question was wrong there that we have corrected. Okay. So you will get the marks for 3 questions. Okay.